Tired of your car's outdated tech? Meet the Volum CarPlay screen. Enjoy wireless CarPlay Android Auto. Navigate and stream seamlessly. Built-in dash cam with front and rear recording. Stay protected. Easy parking with the backup camera. Never miss a moment. Get the Volum screen for $79.99. Limited time only. Upgrade your drive. Click the link below now. Don't miss out! Introducing the Volum 9. 26th. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto seamlessly connect your phone. Enjoy hands-free control with full voice commands. Dual dash cams capture everything in stunning 4K and 1080p, plus a 1080p backup camera. Parking's never been easier. For a limited time, get the Volum screen for just $79.99. That's 58% off. Don't miss this incredible flash sale. Click the link below and upgrade your drive today. Tired of your car's ancient tech? Introducing the Pinero Car Stereo. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Effortless nav. Music, calls, and voice control. Stay connected safely. Includes a backup camera, plus customized sound and steering wheel controls. Drive smarter. Sound better. Get your Pinero Car Stereo today. Don't miss the 58% off flash deal. Link below. Upgrade your drive. Click the link now. Bored with your old car stereo? Introducing the Pinero Stereo. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Crystal Clear 6? On just a checks. Hands-free calling and amazing audio quality. Get yours for only $49.99, 58% off. Flash deal ends soon. Upgrade today. Click the link and transform your drive. Tired of your old car tech? It's time for a major upgrade. Introducing the CarPlay portable CarPlay screen. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, access apps with maps, and calls easily. Enjoy real-time GPS with traffic updates, plus hands-free voice control. 1080p backup camera and simple plug-and-play installation. Minutes to set up. Drive smarter. Experience the CarPlay portable CarPlay screen today. Click below. Tired of your car's outdated tech? Get ready for a game changer. Introducing the CarPlay portable CarPlay screen. Enjoy wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Crystal Clear 10, 26-inch touchscreen, real-time GPS, and hands-free control, plus a 1080p backup camera for safe parking. And it fits any car. Upgrade your drive today. Click the link and get yours now. Special offer this week. Don't miss out on this deal. Limited time only. Upgrade now before this promotion ends. Click the link and upgrade your car today. Tired of your car feeling stuck in the Stone Age? Introducing the Elfomni wireless CarPlay screen. Enjoy wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Get hands-free control and a built-in 4K dash cam for safety. Stream videos with AirPlay and enjoy premium audio. Upgrade your drive. Get your Elfomni screen today. Link below. Stuck with a car that feels outdated? Introducing the Elfomni wireless CarPlay screen. Get wireless CarPlay and Android Auto instantly. Enjoy voice control and built-in dual dash cam. Stream videos and upgrade your audio. Limited time offer. Free 64GB TF card. Click now to transform your drive today. Tired of your car's outdated tech? Meet the Pinero CarPlay screen. Get seamless wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Enjoy effortless voice control for calls and navigation. Plus, a built-in 4K dash cam and backup camera. Plug and play, no installation headaches. Mirror your phone and stay connected easily. Upgrade your ride today. Get Pinero. Flash deal 47% off. From $149.99, now $79.99. Tired of your old car tech? It's time to upgrade. Introducing the Pinero CarPlay screen, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Hands-free control, built-in 4K dash cam, and backup camera. Easy, plug-and-play installation. No more wires, limited time offer. Get yours for $79. $99 was $149.99. Drive smarter and safer. Click the link and get yours now. Ditch the old, embrace the new. Introducing the ATOTO A5L, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, easy phone connection. Crystal clear audio, 24-band EQ and integrated amplifier. Stay connected, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB tethering. Unlock drive chat, your in-car AI assistant. Upgrade your drive. Get the ATOTO A5L today. Boring commute got you down. Upgrade your ride. Introducing the ATOTO A5L car stereo, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Immerse yourself in crystal clear audio quality. Stay connected. Enjoy drive chat. customize apps, and expand your car's features. Get 6 months extra support. Free! Don't miss out. Limited time offer ends soon. Transform your car. Get the Attitude A5L now.